अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एम टी कैट विद एस के। इस वीडियो में हम कंप्लीट एम टी कैट पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट एम सी क्यूज़ बायोलॉजी पोर्शन में से प्रोटीन्स आर मैक्रोमोलेक्यूल्स फॉर्म ऑफ यूनिट्स नोन एज अमीनो एसिड। The amino acid in which the variable group is represented by an CH3 group. Glycine, serine, phenylalanine, alanine. So correct option D, alanine. Next MCQs है which of the following group is attached to the polymer which is present in exoskeleton of arthropods? NH2, sulfur, calcium, COOH. So correct option A, NH2. Next MCQs है phosphodiester linkage is found between two nucleobases, one sugar and two phosphate, two phosphates, two sugar and one phosphate. So correct option D, two sugar and one phosphate. Next MCQ, steroid is formed by a backbone of four fused carbon rings containing 14 carbon atoms, 16 carbon atoms, 17 carbon atoms, 18 carbon atoms. So correct option C, 17 carbon atoms. नेक्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है इज द अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स बिटवीन वाटर एंड कंटेनर वॉल? करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, adhesion. Adhesion is the attractive force between water and container. Next MCQs, ribose is a pentose 5 carbon that contains. Correct option A, aldehyde group. Those molecules which are present in body of living organism are called inorganic molecules, organic molecules, biomolecules, both A and B. Correct option C, biomolecules. Next MCQs है which of the following statements is wrong? Sucrose is disaccharide, cellulose is a polysaccharide, uracil is a pyrimidine, glycine is a sulfur containing group. So correct option D is wrong. Glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Next MCQs हमारे पास है 9. Identify the correct match in the following table. Correct option A, triglycerides and stearic acid. Next MCQs, nucleic acid present in ribosomes, mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, all of these. So न्यूक्लिक एसिड सब में मौजूद होता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ई, ऑल ऑफ दीज. 11 MCQs है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एसिड इज लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर? palmitic acid, stearic acid, linoleic acid, ribonucleic acid. So correct option C, linoleic acid. Next MCQs, 12 MCQs है the alpha helix and beta sheets are example of which level of protein synthesis? So correct option B, secondary structure. Next MCQs, ATP is correct option C, adenine D-ribose 3-phosphate. Next MCQs, DNA strand is directly involved in the synthesis of following except another DNA, protein synthesis, transport RNA, messenger RNA. बाकी सब बनाता है लेकिन प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस नहीं करता. 15 MCQs है which of the following is not polynucleotide? Messenger RNA, transport RNA, ribosomal RNA, DNA, NAD. So correct option D, NAD. This is not a polynucleotide. Next 16 है the diagram shows the pairing of nitrogenous base. Identify the correct base pair is given below table. Correct option C है adenine or uracil. Next MCQs. The most abundant compound in cell is carbon, water, oxygen, hydrogen. So correct option B, water. Next MCQs. Identify the following structure is given below in diagram. Glucose, fatty acid, isoprenoid unit, glyceraldehyde. So correct option C, isoprenoid unit. Next MCQs. Protein act as enzyme, receptor, antibody, all of these. So correct option D, all of these. Next MCQs. The enantiomer of D-glucose is D-galactose, D-glucose, both of them, none of these. So correct option B, D-L-glucose. Next MCQs 21. If water has high latent heat of vaporization, how this property of water could be helpful to plants and animals? Correct option D. With the release of small amount of water vapors and a great amount of heat loss can take place. Next MCQs. Which property of water helps to maintain the integrity of lipid molecules? Specific heat capacity, cohesion and adhesion, hydrogen bonding, hydrophobic exclusion. So correct option D, hydrophobic exclusion. Next MCQ. The type of lipid which do not contain fatty acid are phospholipid, waxes, steroids, acyl glycerol. So correct option C, steroids. Next MCQs. Which type of glycosidic bond is present in sucrose? Correct option C, alpha 1 beta 2 glycosidic bond. Next MCQs 25 है. These small size are volatile in nature and produce special fragrance. Steroids, carotenoids, prostaglandins, terpenes. So correct option D, terpenes. Select an example of fibrous proteins. Correct option B, collagen. Next MCQs है 27. The head of phospholipid molecule is polar hydrophilic due to correct option B, phosphate and choline. Next MCQs है cytochromes, phytochromes, rubbers, latex, etc. belong to which type of terpenoid lipids? Waxes, carotenoids, steroids, prostaglandins. So correct option B, carotenoids. Next MCQs 29. They perform function as transport protein receptor antigens of blood groups. This statement correct for which conjugated molecules? Glycoprotein, glycolipid, lipoprotein, nucleoprotein. Correct option A, glycoproteins. Next MCQs. We use aspirin to reduce fever and decrease pain depend on the inhibition of synthesis. Steroids, carotenoid, prostaglandins, terpenes. So correct option C, prostaglandins. Next 31 MCQs. Which substance contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen? Collagen, amylopectin, DNA, all of these, only A and C. So correct option E, only A and C, collagen and DNA. Next MCQs. Which of the following is reducing sugar? Maltose, lactose, glucose, fructose, all of these. So correct option E, all of these. Next MCQs. Which of the following are keto sugar mean monosaccharide? Fructose, sucrose, Sequo's, Manos, all A, B and C. So correct option E, all A, B and C. 3 है. Next MCQs. When two amino acids are linked to form peptide linkage is removed. Water is removed. Estrogen, vitamin D, cholesterol are example of correct option D, steroids. Next MCQs. Which of the following is present in prokaryotic cell? Correct option D, cytoplasm, DNA, ribosomes. Next MCQs. Which of the following is present in eukaryotic cell? Correct option D, membrane bound organelles. Next MCQs. Which of the following structure is present in all living organism? Cell membrane, nucleus, lysosome, mitochondria. So correct option A, cell membrane. Select the organelle which is only present in animal cell. Lysosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulum, macrotubules, ribosomes. So correct option A, lysosomes. Next MCQs. Lipid bilayer makes the membrane differentially permeable barrier that allows the transport of ionic material, polar material, non-polar material, glycoproteins. So correct option C, non-polar materials. Next 41 MCQs है. The diagram shows a typical animal cell which label structure is involved in the synthesis of glycoprotein. 1, 2, 3, 4. So correct option लेबल 2 जो है ये ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन की सिंथेसिस करता है. 42 MCQs है. Which of the following represent prokaryotic cell? Bilirubin algae, bacteria, archaea, all of these. So correct option D, all of these. Next MCQ. Which of the following cell organelles closed by a single membrane? Mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosome, nuclei. So correct option C, lysosome. Next MCQs. Channel of endoplasmic reticulum are separated one from one another are by spherical or tubular membranes, one above another are called vesicles, crista, cisternae, sac. So correct option C, cisternae. Next MCQs है 45. Circulation, synthesis, detoxification, mechanical support and communication by peroxisome, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, cytoplasm. So correct option B, endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria are also called powerhouse of the cell. Next MCQs. Mitochondria supply most of the necessary biological energy by correct option B, oxidizing substrates of TCA cycle. Next MCQs. Nuclear envelope is derivative of correct option C, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next MCQs. Which of the following is the site of lipid synthesis? Correct option B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 50 MCQs that the function of nucleus is the synthesis of correct option D, ribosomal RNA and ribosomes. Next MCQs है the nucleus is separated from surrounding cytoplasm by nuclear membrane which is correct option C, double layered with pores. Next MCQ. Select one which is not true for ribosome. Correct option D, have no role in protein synthesis. Next MCQs. Which of the following is not function of lysosome? Phagocytosis, endocytosis, autophagy, degeneration of cell. So correct option B, endocytosis is not a function of lysosome. Select the mismatch pair. Large central वैक्यूल एंड एनिमल सेल। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए मिसमैच यही है, सेंट्रल वैक्यूल जो है प्लांट सेल में होता है। नेक्स्ट MCQs, two polynucleotide strands are wound round each other. How many base pair are there in each strand? Correct option C, 10 base pairs. Next MCQs, a person diet contain more protein that is needed for growth and repair. This cause increased production of carbon dioxide hormone, lactic acid, urea. So correct option D, urea. Next MCQs, which of the following reaction result in the conversion of amino acid to protein? Condensation, deamination, hydrolysis, phosphorylation. So correct option A, condensation. Next MCQ, cell wall of the cell are held together by middle lamella, primary wall, secondary wall, tertiary wall. So correct option A, middle lamella. Next MCQs, which of the following is not a property of water? Correct option C, main source of energy. Next MCQs, which type of RNA is most abundant in a cell? Messenger RNA, transport RNA, ribosomal RNA. So correct option C, ribosomal RNA. Next MCQs, which of the following has peptidoglycan cell wall? Yeast, Salmonella typhi, Calamidomonas onion cells. So correct option B, Salmonella typhi. Next MCQs, inner concave surface of Golgi complex is called. Correct option D, maturing. Next MCQs, mitochondria move about freely in cytoplasm because. Correct option C, cytoplasmic streaming movement occurs. Next MCQs, based on position of centromere, chromosome are classified into how many types? Correct option D, 4 types. Next MCQs, which of the following plastid plays role in pollination and dispersal of seeds in plants? Chloroplast, amyloplast, proteoplast, chromoplast. So correct option D, chromoplast. Next MCQs, which of the following cell organelle evolve through endosymbiosis? Mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplast. Correct option D, both A and C. Mitochondria and chloroplast. Next MCQs, what kind of ribosome present in mitochondria? Correct option A, 70S. Next MCQs, number of chromosome in Drosophila melanogaster is. Correct option B, 8. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है केमिस्ट्री का पोर्शन 69 MCQs. द एवरेज kinetic energy of gas molecule is. Correct option B, directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Next MCQs, real gases behave like ideal gases at. Correct option D, high temperature and low pressure. Next MCQs, partial charge is. Correct option B, less than unit charge. Next MCQs है dipole induced dipole force is present in. Correct option A, HF and xenon. Next MCQs, calculate the concentration of gas at 300 Kelvin and 1.5 atm. So correct option C, 0.061 mole per dm cubes. Next MCQs है all statements are correct for gases except A भी ठीक है, B भी ठीक है, C भी ठीक है, D गलत है. Mass of the gas is equal to the mass of container in which its gas is contained. Next MCQs, the volume of 2.8 gram of carbon monoxide at 27 degrees centigrade and 0.0821 atm is. Correct option A, 30 liter. Next MCQs, the following drop of water is spherical due to hydrogen bonding, surface tension, capillary reaction, viscosity. So correct option B, surface tension. Next MCQs, at absolute zero substance exist in. Correct option A, solid state. नेक्स्ट MCQs, द प्रोसेस ऑफ सब्लिमेशन अकर, जिसमें सॉलिड गैस में चेंज हो जाता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, ड्राई आइस टर्न इनटू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. नेक्स्ट MCQs, द प्योरिटी ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड कैन बी चेक्ड बाय dehydration with H2SO4, combustion reaction with ethanol, measuring its boiling points. Correct option C, measuring its boiling point. Next MCQs, the momentary attractive between molecules of a liquid caused by instantaneous dipole and induced dipole attraction are called. Correct option D, London forces. नेक्स्ट MCQs 81 है, क्वार्टज इज अ सॉलिड आयनिक मॉलिक्यूलर कोवलेंट मेटालिक. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, कोवलेंट सॉलिड. नेक्स्ट MCQs, सब्लाइंट सब्सटेंस इज आर आयोडाइन, ammonium chloride, camphor, all of these. So correct option D, all of these. Isomorphism is found in, correct option C, Na2SO4 and Na2SeO4. Next MCQs, SI unit of surface tension is, correct option C, Newton per meter. Next MCQs, viscosity is a measure of substance ability to resist change in, correct option D, its flow. Next MCQs है, all the statements about vapor pressure are correct except, correct option C, sea water has higher vapor pressure than pure water. Next MCQs, the boiling point of water decreases as we go to high altitude because of, correct option A, low atmospheric pressure. Next MCQs है, the compound X consists of molecules only, it has likely, correct option C, low melting point and low boiling point. Next MCQs, the compressibility factor of ideal gas is, correct option A, Z is equal to 1. Next MCQs, which gas has the value of nearly equal to Z is equal to 1 at low pressure? Hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, all of these. So correct option D, all of these. The particles have highest energy in solid, liquid, gas, plasma state. So correct option D, plasma state. Next MCQs, the density of carbon dioxide gas at 2 atm pressure and temperature of 25 degrees centigrade is, correct option A, 3.5960 gram per liter. Next MCQs, the constant R is, correct option C, work done per degree per mole. Next MCQs, the vapor pressure is not affected by temperature, nature of the liquid, surface area of the liquid, concentration of non-volatile solutes. So correct option C, surface area of the liquid. Next MCQs, vapor pressure of a solution containing a non-volatile solute is, correct option B, directly proportional to mole fraction of the solvent. Next MCQs, which liquid would have the highest vapor pressure at a given temperature? Correct option C, ether. Next MCQs, adding a non-volatile solute to a solvent causes, correct option C, increase in boiling point and decrease in vapor pressure. Next MCQ, the term lattice point is used for, correct option B, a point in space where an atom or molecule is located. Next MCQs, the highest lattice energy is expected for NaCl, KCl, MgO, CaO, correct option C, magnesium oxide. Next MCQs, the vapor pressure of water at 200 Kelvin is 2 atmosphere. Its size of container is increased to double. New pressure at 200 Kelvin will be, correct option A, 2 atm. Next MCQs, crystal can be classified into, correct option B, 7 basic crystal habits. Next MCQs, A container has an initial volume of 7 liter and contains 0.8 moles of gas. If 0.3 moles of gas are added, the new volume will be correct option B 9.625 liter. Next MCQ, solid have all property except intermolecular distances are short, intermolecular forces are weak. So correct option B, intermolecular forces are weak. Next MCQs, solid have all property except ionic bond covalent solid in molecular solid. Oh, sorry. Solid butane is ionic solid, covalent solid, molecular solid, metallic solid. So correct option C, molecular solid. Next MCQs, which of the following is a network solid? Dry ice, camphor, diamond, naphthalene. So correct option C, diamond. Next MCQs, the value of lattice energy is affected by size of ions only, charge of ions only, mass of ions, size and charge of ions. So correct option D, size and charge of ions. Next MCQs, an ideal gas occupy 5 liter at 298 degrees centigrade, 298 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure. If the temperature is increased to 328 Kelvin, as the new volume gas will be 3.5 liter, 4 liter, 5.5 liter, 7 liter. So correct option C, 5.5 liter. Next MCQs, water is in glass form concave meniscus because correct option B, water has stronger adhesive force with glass. Next MCQs, surface tension of liquid is independent of correct option D, area of liquid surface. Next MCQs, water has bond angle 104.5 degree because of correct option B, lone pair repulsion. Next MCQs, in ice crystal the H2 molecule are held together in a correct option C, tetrahedral three-dimensional structure. Next MCQs, the water has maximum density of at correct option B, 277 Kelvin. Next MCQs, a property which changes with change in direction of crystalline solid is called correct option C, anisotropy. Next MCQs, the property which will increase on raising the temperature are correct option C, evaporation, diffusion, expansion of gases. नेक्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है, ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट एक्सेप्ट करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी, वेपोराइजेशन इज सरफेस फिनोमिना. नेक्स्ट MCQs, liquid which has highest rate of evaporation is petrol, nail polish remover, water, alcohol. So correct option B, nail polish remover. Next MCQs, the impurity causes correct option B, increase in boiling point. Next MCQs, when someone in hurry he sips hot tea in a saucer instead of cup because correct option B, it cools quickly in a saucer than cup. Next MCQs, the condensation is correct option C, exothermic process. Next MCQs, all have cleavage plane except correct option C, copper cluster. Next MCQs, the height to which a liquid rises in a capillary tube is affected by all factors except correct option D, atmospheric pressure. Next MCQs, which of the following gases would you expect to diffuse the fastest under the same condition? Carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. So correct option B, हाइड्रोजन जो है वो इफ्यूज होती है फास्टेस्ट. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास फिजिक्स का पोर्शन है. 80 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर at 30 degree centigrade poured on a large block of ice which is at 0 degree centigrade. The mass of ice that melt is specific heat of water है 1 calorie per gram degree centigrade. Latent heat for ice is 80 calorie per gram. Correct option A, 30 gram. Next MCQs है. A particle is acted upon by a force in a x direction which varies shown in the diagram. x axis पे force act करती है. What is the work done on the particle? Correct option D, 10 joule. Next MCQs हमारे पास है. Heat was given to substance per unit mole which raises its temperature by 1 degree centigrade is known as correct option A, molar specific heat. Next MCQs, a body of mass 40 kilogram covers a distance of 50 meter in the direction of force in 5 seconds starting from the rest under the influence of force. What is the work done by the force? So correct option B, 8000 joule. Next MCQs, if the rotation is clockwise in the page, suppose, then in which direction will the thumb project if you curl the hand in the same direction of rotation? Correct option B, it will point to the direction perpendicular to the plane of the paper and away from you. Next MCQs हमारे पास है 128. 50 gram of ice at 0 degree centigrade is mixed with 50 gram of water at 80 degree centigrade. What is the final temperature of the mixture? Specific heat for water 1 calorie per gram है और latent heat for ice वो क्या है 80 कैलोरी पर ग्राम है. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास जो टेम्परेचर है वो आएगा 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. नेक्स्ट MCQs, a quantity of heat required to change the unit mass of substance from liquid state to gas state while the temperature remain constant is known as correct option C, latent heat of vaporization. ये तो definition है. नेक्स्ट MCQs है हमारे पास. if both force and displacement of particle is in the same direction or double, work done by the, so हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा 4 टाइम्स. अगर दोनों डबल्स कर दिए जाएं तो वर्क हो जाएगा 4 टाइम्स. नेक्स्ट MCQs, boiling water is changing into steam under this condition the specific heat of water is correct option C, infinite. Next MCQs, you push a heavy crate down a ramp at a constant velocity. Only 4 forces act on a crate. Which force does the greatest magnitude of work on the crate? Force of friction, force you pushing, normal force, force of gravity. So correct option हमारे पास है force of friction. नेक्स्ट MCQs है फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन ज़्यादा होगी उसमें. नेक्स्ट MCQs है a solid object disk is rotating around its own axis. Which of the statements are correct? correct option हमारे पास है D, 1 and 4. 1 क्या है, एंगुलर स्पीड ऑफ डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ बॉडी इज सेम। 4 है हमारे पास टेंजेंटल स्पीड ऑफ डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स ऑफ बॉडी इज डिफरेंट। नेक्स्ट MCQs है, a particle of mass 200 gram is thrown vertically upward with the speed of 10 meter per second. The maximum work done by force of gravity is, so correct option D, 10 joule. Next MCQs, if velocity is double then velocity को अगर डबल कर दिया जाए तो क्या होगा, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी, मोमेंटम इंक्रीजेज 2 टाइम किनेटिक एनर्जी 4 टाइम इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। नेक्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है, अ बॉल इज थ्रोन वर्टिकली अपवर्ड विद द वेलोसिटी ऑफ 20 meter per second at what height its kinetic energy will be 1/4 of its original value, g is equal to 10 meter per second square। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास 15 मीटर। 15 मीटर पे जो है ना किनेटिक एनर्जी 1/4 हो जाएगी ओरिजिनल वैल्यू पे। नेक्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है, द ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट एट इनफिनाइट डिस्टेंस हाइट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, 0। नेक्स्ट MCQs, a force is equal to F5I minus 3J plus 2K Newton move the particle from R1 is equal to 2I plus 7J plus 4K M2 to R2 is equal to 5I plus 2J plus 8। what is the work done by the force? so इसको हम करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, 38 जूल। नेक्स्ट MCQs है, प्रोटॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूट्रॉन अल्फा पार्टिकल हैव द सेम मोमेंटम विच ऑफ देम हैज लोवेस्ट किनेटिक एनर्जी। इलेक्ट्रॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, अल्फा पार्टिकल। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी, प्रोटॉन हैज लोवेस्ट किनेटिक एनर्जी। नेक्स्ट MCQs, एट व्हाट एंगल द वर्क डन विल बी नेगेटिव। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास है बी, 120 डिग्री। नेक्स्ट MCQs है, द वर्क डन इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम नियर इक्वल टू 0 इज कॉल्ड। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, इंस्टेंटेनियस पावर। नेक्स्ट MCQs, एन आइडियल गैस इज टेकन अराउंड अ साइकिल ABCA as shown in the PV diagram, pressure volume diagram. The next work done by the gas during the cycle is equal to, correct option हमारे पास है B, 5P1V1। Next MCQs, which of the following is not the unit of energy? correct option हमारे पास है C, kilowatt is not unit of energy। Next MCQ, the dot product of force and velocity is called, correct option D, power। Next MCQs, the circumference subtends an angle of pi radian, 2 pi radian, pi over 2 radian, 4 pi radian। so correct option B, 2 pi radian। Next MCQs, an angle subtended at its center by an arc whose length is equal to radius। so correct option हमारे पास है D, 1 radian। Next MCQs, a force of 10 Newton creates a displacement of 2 meter but the work done on the body throughout its motion is equal to 70 joule। what possibly can be reason of this? correct option हमारे पास है C, there are multiple forces acting on the body। Next MCQ, energy can neither be created nor it can be destroyed but it can be transferred from one form to another form। total energy of the system remain constant। this is the statement of, correct option हमारे पास B, law of conservation of energy is the correct option। ये उसकी डिफाइन है। नेक्स्ट MCQs है, a body of weight 20 Newton mass 2 kilogram is moving in a horizontal circular motion with the help of string of radius of 1 meter with a velocity of 5 meter per second. What is the tension in the string when the body is in the right of the circle? So correct option हमारे पास है B 50 न्यूटन. Next time the difference between Cp and Cv is equal to, correct option हमारे पास A यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Next MCQs है, work being a scalar quantity sometimes has negative and positive signs. What does the sign suggest? Correct option A relative direction of force and displacement. Next MCQ, escape velocity of object from surface of any planet is independent of, correct option C mass of object. नेक्स्ट MCQs, सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स एक्सेलरेशन का फार्मूला हम पुट करेंगे, उसमें वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे. अ बॉडी ऑफ 10 किलोग्राम इज मूविंग विद द वेलोसिटी 5 मीटर पर सेकंड इन अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 2 मीटर. व्हाट इज द सेंट्रीपेटल एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द बॉडी? सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास आएगा 12.5 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट MCQs, द एंगुलर वेलोसिटी of a stone being rotated in 10 radian per second, what is the angular displacement covered in 0.5 second? correct option हमारे पास है 5.5 radian. next MCQs, a ball is being rotated in a circle of radius 5 meter with the constant tangential velocity of 20 meter per second. A stone is also being rotated in a circle of radius 4 meter with the constant tangential velocity of 16 meter per second. Which one of the following choices is true about both the circular motions? Correct option A, both have same angular velocity. Next MCQs, 56 है, at which position in vertical circular motion is the tension in the string maximum? At highest position, at the lowest position, when the string is horizontal at an angle of 35 degree from the horizontal. So correct option B, at the lowest position. Next MCQs है 157. A body is moving in a vertical circular motion. Which one of the following forces does it not experience? Correct option C, normal reaction force. Next MCQs, which of the following is not a conservative force? Correct option A, friction force is not a conservative force. Next MCQs, water falls from a height of 60 meter at the rate of 15 kilogram per second to operate a turbine. The losses due to friction force are 20% of energy. How much power is generated by turbine? G is equal to 10 meter per second square. तो इसको हम हल करेंगे तो हमारे पास जवाब आएगा 7200 वाट. नेक्स्ट MCQs है, the two racing car of masses m1 and m2 moving in a circle of radii r1 and r2 respectively. Their speeds are such that each car makes a complete circle in the same time t. The ratio of angular speed of the first to second car will be, so correct option A, 1:1. Next MCQs, on the application of constant torque, a wheel is turned from the rest through 400 radians in 10 seconds. Find the angular acceleration. correct option हमारे पास आएगा 8 radian per second square d. next MCQs है, the direction of angular velocity vector is along, correct option D, the axis of rotation. Next MCQ, the energy possessed by the body by the virtue of its position is called Correct option B. Potential energy. Next MCQ, the system absorbs 10 kilojoule of heat at constant volume and its temperature rises from 270 degree to 370 degree centigrade. The value of del U is. Correct option हमारे पास C 10 kilogram. Okay, sorry, 10 kilojoule. Next MCQ, the body is moving in a circle of radius r with angular velocity mu. Its acceleration directed toward center of circle is given by. Correct option हमारे पास C mu square r. Next MCQs हमारे पास है linear acceleration A and angular acceleration of a particle moving along the center of circle of radius r are related as. Correct option A is equal to E multiplied by R. Next MCQs, a ball is dropped from a height of 10 meter. Correct option A, its potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases during the fall. Next MCQs, a person is holding a bucket by applying a force of 10 Newton. How moves a horizontal distance of 5 meter and then climbs up a vertical distance of 15 meter. Find the total work done by him. Correct option हमारे पास B 150 joule. Next MCQs, a body executing uniform circular motion has at any instant its velocity vector and acceleration vector. Correct option हमारे पास C perpendicular to each other. Next MCQs, a machine has a power of 5 kilowatt. How long will it take for it to lift a body of mass 10 kg from the ground to a height of 100 meter? Assume G is equal to 10 meter per second square. तो कितना टाइम लगेगा हमारे पास? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है B 2 सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट MCQs, in which of the following process total heat supplied to the system is converted in the work done? So हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन है C isothermal process. Next MCQs, a body is moving in uniform circular motion. Which of the following is false statement? Correct option C, acceleration vector lags tangential velocity at 180 degree. Next MCQs हमारे पास है for a body moving in a circular path, the work done by the centripetal force is. So correct option C 0. Next MCQs है the system through which energy can be transferred but mass cannot be transferred is called. Correct option B closed system. Next MCQs, a body is moving along the circular path in a clockwise direction with a decreasing angular velocity. The direction of angular acceleration a body is. Correct option B away from the center of the circle. Next MCQs है an object moves in a circle if mass is 1/4, the speed is tripled, radius is unchanged, the magnitude of the centripetal force must be multiplied by factor of. Correct option C 9/4. नेक्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है इंग्लिश का पोर्शन में से देयर इज नथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग विच आई कैन टेल यू अबाउट माई ट्रेवल्स. नथिंग विच यू माई नो इरर. इसमें से हमने इरर बताना है, कौन सा इरर है. तो हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन है B विच. Next MCQs, find the correct statements. Correct option A, we dislike their interfering into our friendship. This is correct statements. Next MCQs, the diary of I think contains all of the object details. इसमें क्या आना चाहिए? तो हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, यूअर्स, डेयरी ऑफ यूअर्स। नेक्स्ट MCQs, माई आर्ग्यूमेंट वाज गुड बट हर इज बेटर। इसमें से भी एरर निकालना है, तो हमारे पास आएगा हर। नेक्स्ट MCQs, फाइंड द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी, यू एंड डी मस्ट एंजॉय योर सेल्व्स एट द पार्टी। नेक्स्ट MCQs है, इट्स अ गुड आइडिया फॉर यू एंड आई टू मीट सून। करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास है सी, आई। एरर जो है आई है इसमें। नेक्स्ट MCQs, यू एंड अरशद मस्ट फिनिश होमवर्क ऑन टाइम। करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, finish your homework on time. Next MCQs, find the correct statements. Correct option B, there is an agreement, it is between him and me. 185 है, इसमें एरर फाइंड करना है। His feet are so big that he cannot find shoes to fit him. इसमें एरर हमारे पास है, कोई एरर नहीं है, नो एरर। नेक्स्ट MCQs, फाइंड द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स। तो इसमें से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स है सी, whoever breaks these rules will be eliminated. नेक्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है कि इसमें एरर फाइंड करना है, ग्रेट इज हु belong to the history in his own lifetime. Correct option E, no error. Next MCQs 188, find the correct statements. So correct option हमारे पास है C, statement C है, one must be honest if one wants one's definitive achievement. Next MCQs 189, he later avenged. Correct option B, himself on his brother's murder. Next MCQs, find the correct statement. Correct option C, you, he and I are going to the place tomorrow. Next MCQs, error find करना है, this is the girl whom love for him is immeasurable. Correct option B, whom जो है ना ये इसमें एरर है। नेक्स्ट MCQs 192 है, डू यू थिंक हैज स्टोलन माई फोन। तो इसमें से कौन सा आएगा, तो हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हु, डू यू थिंक हैज स्टोलन माई फोन। नेक्स्ट MCQs है, फाइंड द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स। Correct option will be D, everything comes to him who waits. Next MCQs 194, there is one assignment missing. Correct option हमारे पास है C, whose has not been submitted. जिसको, whose means जिसको। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास पैसेज, रीड द गिवन पैसेज, आंसर द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द 192 to 198. सो इसको रीड कर लें। Many people believe that success is the result of luck. However, if we look closely at successful individuals, we often find a pattern of hard work, discipline, and perseverance. Take the example of Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. He once said, I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that would not work. His words remind us that failure is not opposite of success but a part of the journey. Therefore, rather than relying on luck, we should focus on consistent effort and positive attitude. So हमारे पास 195 क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट इज द मेन आइडिया ऑफ पैसेज? करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास है सी, हार्ड वर्क एंड प्रिजर्वेंस लीड टू सक्सेस. नेक्स्ट MCQs है 196. अकॉर्डिंग टू पैसेज हाउ शुड वी ट्रीट फेलियर? करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, as a necessary part of success. Next MCQ, what does the author suggest is more important than luck? So correct option C, consistent effort. Next MCQs, what is the meaning of word perseverance? परसिवरेंस है, मैंने वैसे ही पढ़ा है वो. एज यूज इन द पैसेज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, कंटिन्यूअस एफर्ट डिस्पाइट डिफिकल्टीज. नेक्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है चूज द ऑड फिगर. इनमें से ऑड फिगर कौन सी है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, 3 जो है वो ऑड फिगर है हमारे पास. नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट MCQs, choose the figure that complete the pattern. करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए, 1 जो फिगर है.